Elementary school students, it's Mr. Greer here, and today I have a lesson for y'all that I think you guys will really enjoy. I remember the very first lesson I posted, I asked y'all some things that y'all would like to learn this year, and one of the most popular answers, if not the most popular, was basketball. So the next lesson I told y'all it wasn't possible for me to teach y'all actual basketball while we're virtual. But then I started thinking about ways I could incorporate some parts of basketball into a lesson for y'all while we are all online. So today I'm going to be teaching a lesson over paper basketball. So for this, you're going to need a little equipment, which most of y'all should have. So first off, you're going to need a piece of paper. Any type of paper, it doesn't matter what kind. And the second thing you're going to need is something to use as a goal. So for me today, I'm using a cardboard box as my goal. And some of you students may already be used to an activity like this, because I know some kids like to wad up their paper and throw it in the trash can anyways during the middle of class. So step number one is get a piece of paper, and step number two is you want to crumble it up into a ball. And for the sake of this activity, this is going to be considered your basketball for today. And the second thing that you're going to need to know for this activity is you're going to have to toss this into the goal. So to me personally, it doesn't matter if you do it overhand or underhand, sidearm. It really doesn't matter. The thing that I'm looking for is just accuracy and kind of making sure that y'all are having fun with this activity. This is just supposed to be something to stimulate basketball, resemble basketball, especially with the NBA playoffs going on right now. I figured that this would be a good activity that y'all could relate to. So with that being said, what I want y'all to do for me today is, once y'all have watched the video and seen some of the things I'm about to do, I want y'all to record yourself or have your parents record you doing a shot and making it. It can be a trick shot. It can just be a normal shot. I just want y'all to get creative with it and really use your imagination. I'm going to try and attach a link to where you can post these videos. And if you can't figure out how to do that, I can make another video on how to submit videos onto Google Classroom, which I'm sure many of y'all already know how to do, especially for the younger kids that have tablets. Whenever you go to submit an assignment, there should be a thing where you can take a video or a picture, and you just take a video. And same for kids on Chromebooks. And so I just kind of want to give y'all an example of what I'm kind of talking about, especially if you aren't familiar with basketball by chance, and just show you what I'm kind of looking for. So let's get to it. So right now, here's my basketball, and there's my goal. You know, right now we're 6 feet apart, social distancing, and I just want to show y'all kind of what I'm looking for. So just like that. And I want y'all to get as creative as you want to be. If you want to try and bank it off a wall or behind the back between the legs, I just want y'all to get as creative as you possibly can and record you doing this shot and making it, and then submit it on Blackboard. And whenever we're back in person, we'll be able to learn about basketball, the real basketball, not paper basketball. But for now, I feel like this is a fun, creative activity that I could do for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. And now, for the end of this video, I'm just going to show y'all some examples of what y'all could possibly do. I'm going to start off really simple and then get into like the more complex ones, shots that you could do. And so those were just some examples of what y'all could possibly do. it doesn't have to be one of those. It can be as simple or as complex as you would like. But I just wanted to give y'all some examples of what you could do. That way, if you want to do something like that, you can. But if not, that's totally fine as well. I hope y'all have a good day today.